Hey guys, it's Eric, and so for today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do the more than a woman trend on TikTok. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, this is basically the trend. It's basically where you go ahead and turn your head and the camera kind of zooms into your face, and then you turn to a different direction and the camera just keeps zooming into your face, and you put them all together. It looks really satisfying to watch. Before we get started though, if this is your first time watching me, then hello to you. My name is Eric and thank you so much for watching me right now. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and also tap the bell to be notified whenever I upload new videos. And if you did that, let me know down in the comments because maybe you'll win the next shout out for my next video. By the way, shout out to these people right here for turning on post notifications and being active as always. Thanks to these fam. And now let's get on with the trend. So for this trend, people use this audio and it is called More Than a Woman. You can find this audio on my TikTok in which I actually did the trend. Under that video, you could find the sound, and when you click on it, it will take you into this page. So again, we're gonna click on use this sound. As you can see, this is the camera, and also my background is messy because you know, messy time. So just to explain to you guys how this actually works, so basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna turn from whichever direction that you want, either left or right side, and when you go ahead and turn like that, the camera kind of zooms in like that. Like, people don't use their fingers to zoom like that. Like, no, they use their actual hands to actually like zoom in like that. Like, you're gonna zoom in like as stable as you can possibly do. I know this is gonna be really hard because if you're like me who has a shaky hand, if you do this, it might look like you're doing like that, like toot 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 toot, and it's not gonna look as stable. So if you can, just a tip for you guys, you could use two hands like this and also use your other hand to hold your phone just like this, and when you zoom in, it should be more stable than using only one hand. So now we're gonna go ahead and film this, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how it is done. As you can see, I kind of turned my head and just stopped the recording. Now I'm gonna go ahead and move into this direction where I'm looking, which is here. Hi! When you record, you're gonna go like, more than a woman. Let's go do this. And also another tip for you guys, when you're doing this, before you stop recording, make sure you turn either left or right direction before stopping the recording, rather than turning your face entirely then stopping the recording, because that's gonna look very choppy when you're filming this. This is the part that we're waiting for. And then now I'm gonna go into this other direction, which in my last clip I went like that, so this means we're gonna go this way. Then now I'm gonna go in this direction again. And then this is the last part where they go like, more than a woman to me. Okay, switching locations because it's starting to get dark there. This is the last part that we're switching sides like that. For this one, make sure that you're in like a different outfit or like glowing up if you can do that. I can't glow up, so I just switch locations just to add a little bit of spice to it. So as you can see, this is what we look like. For this one, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and turn my face like that and just be like, more than a woman to me. So now let's go ahead and do that, and let's see how this goes. So let's go ahead and see what we have so far. So as you can see, the way I did it, it was very smooth when it comes to switching into different camera angles. And again, just a few tips that I have for you guys when you are filming yours. When you're about to stop recording, make sure to stop recording as soon as you're trying to switch your head like that. And if you do that, it's gonna give the viewers an illusion that you're actually transitioning into a different camera angle. And yeah, so that is a pretty quick tutorial on how to do the more than a woman trend on TikTok. And so I hope you guys find this video really helpful, and if it did help you, then let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Also, if you guys have any questions or anything like that, then be sure to let me know down in the comments and I'll try to answer them. If you have a TikTok and you don't follow me yet, then be sure to follow me at LifeWithErick, and I'll see you guys there. And lastly, don't forget to follow me in all of my social medias, in which the links will be in the down bar below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Okay, bye.